Welcome to Rajesh Technologies. So in the program, in the personal details form, we created an object followed by the title of the form is details form, and using geometry, we assigned the height and width of the program and the configuration. We applied the background color and how many labels we need: name label, email label, address label. For that, we created the object of the label for 3 times, and the attributes are under this label must be displayed under window. So window represents the object is W, and text we will provide foreground, background, and font we are going to provide for all the labels. Similarly, the result label also. But these all are the labels, 4 labels for our form. And next is uh, 2 text boxes, that is entries, means single line entry. So entry is a predefined class in the TK inter library. So we use that. We created the 2 objects, name, email, and address. For address, we use the text, and we provided the height and width. That means how many rows and columns was there, and font, same thing. And we created a button. So button text is submit, background color, foreground color, and we applied the font. But whenever we click on the button, the result must be displayed in the result label. So we will write a function. Okay, define. So diff is the keyword for writing the function diff. Now, what is the function name? I will go it is get details. It is my user defined function name. Get details is my user defined function name. Now I am going to create the variables like name is equals to null. That means we assign some null text for name, as well as we can also assign email equals to null value, as well as address is also one variable. I assigned null value. That means empty string. I assigned empty string for all name, email, and address. Now I will get the data. Name is a variable. I will get the data from TB name is my control name for the name text box. TB name is the object name for the first text box. Dot get is the predefined function. Whatever text you written under the this particular box, it will be written. Okay, TB name is the object name of the text box. Whatever text we entered dynamically, that will be stored in the name. Okay, followed by email is another variable. We assign, we will get the details from TB email dot get function. And next one is the address. For address, we will get the data that is from T area address. T area means text area. Address is my object name dot get get. Uh, we are getting the data from starting index is 1.0 up to n. Tk inter dot n. So up to n we will retrieve the entire data. So that means first character to last character we will get the entire address. Now we will configure this entire data in a label. Lab result dot configure. Configure is a function. In this particular configuration, we provide the text. That means dynamically we provide the label text. Lab result dot configuration. So name, where we are going to put name. Name is a string plus where is the name in the name variable. Okay, plus you can apply the slash and or going to the new line. and followed by plus we will provide the email. So email was there in email variable plus new line followed by plus address is the string, address will be displayed, plus where is the address in the address variable, in the address variable. Okay, address variable. So this is the configuration of the label. So this is the function, this is the function, it will get the details. Now what happened is whenever I click on the button is the button we already created an object. In this particular button we are going to add a new attribute, that is command. Once again, comma command, comma, we must provide the comma after font. We are going for command, command equals to, what is the function name? The function name is get details. We must write get details is your function name we are calling. Whenever we press the button, get details function will be executed. So let me see how this particular program will work. That means now we return the business logic also. Right click and run, and see here. Let me write some name, mail Rajesh @ gmail.com, and we will provide some address, that is Naveen Nagar, Papa. Okay, and click on submit button. You will get a name, email, and address. Name, email, and address in the result box. You can provide any address like this. SP, something, some door number, uh, Pradesh, like this. So you can change to uh, hash like this. Whenever you click on the button, the result will be changed. Okay, like this we will get the data from each and every text box. Thank you.